Let me show you how to turn on or off always on display on your iPhone. Now, if you like your clock or the wallpaper always being visible, or if you wanted to turn it off to save battery life, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, if you go to lock your iPhone screen and it just looks like this, it's not actually turned off. You can see the clock and the wallpaper. You can choose to turn off that feature. It's called Always On Display. Now, that feature lives in the Settings app of your phone. And within the Settings app, we need to find the display and brightness. Now, from here, you can see as I scroll down, I can choose to enable or disable this always on display. I can choose to turn off show the wallpaper or notifications. This will just show the clock if you want to see the clock while you're sleeping. Or if you want to save battery, you can completely turn that off. Of course, you can turn it on or off depending on your preference. Now, when I lock the phone, it goes completely black.